Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a package inside the Vue.js which allows you to create PDF document from a template. You can see the demo on the screen. We have a simple application where you need to provide a title, and then inside this text area you can paste any text which you need to convert into PDF. So I will just take a simple Wikipedia paragraph and I will paste all this text. Just copy this and simply paste inside this text area. And also there is a functionality where you can add images as well. So there is a choose file button. So here you can select your images. So I've selected this PNG, and as soon as I click the generate PDF button, you will see all this PDF will be generated alongside with the image as well. So it is using HTML2 PDF JS library in the background. It also shows you the live preview of the PDF document, and it downloads the PDF document right in the browser itself. So you can see all your text that you pasted is split it across multiple pages, and also your image is also added. So I will show you this package which is available on npmjs.com, and you just need to search for this package vue-html2pdf. So this is actually the package here which we are using for this, and it's almost got 11,000 weekly downloads. So this is actually the command. I've already installed it. So just execute this command and install this module. So now to get started, you just need to make a simple Vue.js project. I've given all the source code in the description of this video. So just go to your app.vue file, and we need to edit this file. And first of all, we will write all the HTML code in the template tag, and then the TypeScript code in the script tag. So right here, the very first thing we need to do, we need to import this package. So simply we'll use the import statement, and we'll simply import this package vue-html2 PDF, and it will be coming from this package vue-html2 PDF. So once you import this package, we simply need to register it. So export default, and here we'll be declaring some variables which will be needed for this application. First of all, what title that you will give. This will be empty, and then the actual content which you will paste, the text which will be inserted, and also the image. So we have these three variables: the title, the description, and the image, which will be there in the PDF document. And lastly, we also need to first of all register this component. So now in the components array, we simply pass the component that we imported, which is this vue-html2pdf. So now we can go to the template here, and we can directly use this. First of all, we will have a simple form where we will have these three input fields, and let me just paste it. You can get all this source code in the description. So this is just a valid HTML code, that's why I'm just not writing this. It will waste the time. So here what is happening right here, if you see, we have this three input fields. Inside this we have the first of all this input field where we allow the user to write the title. We have given vmodel directive, so directly we are binding it to these three variables that we declare: title, content, and the selected image. The second input field is for the content that you will paste in the text area. This is actually a text area. And lastly, we have the input file where we allow the user to select the image file from their computer, and then they can insert this image in the PDF document. So if you just refresh your application, just go to localhost 5173. So you will see these three input fields which will be there. So now as soon as the image changes, we are binding this on image change function. So as soon as you select the image file, So just inside the method section, we need to define this callback function. So we will say on image change. So this function will execute as soon as you select your image. On image change. So here we need to first of all read the file. So you need to get access to the file here. So we will use the e parameter, e target dot files. So after getting access to the file that is selected by the user, we will check in the if condition that if the file is valid, then we will read this image file using the file reader API. So file reader API, and then it contains this onload function. So whenever the image is successfully loaded, we will simply store this image in the selected image variable e.target.result. And lastly, we just need to call a function here which will simply read the base64 code, read as data URL, and then pass the file. So that's all that we need to do inside this function. So now we can write the actual component which is responsible for this. So just after this form right here, we can actually directly embed this component. So vue-html2pdf, and it actually takes some directives. So the first one, let me just paste some of this. So and then explain to you. So these are the first four directives. Show layout. If you want to show the layout of the PDF document, you will put true or false. Float layout true. Enable download button. If you want the download button to appear, you will put true here. Preview modal. So if you want to show a live preview window to the user as soon as you paste the content, then you will put true here. And then we have some more parameters which we can set. I will show you one by one what it meant by this. So let me just paste it. So it's a complete module here. You can see it all supports all these options. So paginate elements by height. So here you can control the height of the PDF document, and then you can give it a file name, control it by passing it a custom file name, and then you can control the quality of the PDF document. So I am just providing 2 here. And then manual pagination, PDF format, you can even control A4 size, PDF orientation, which is landscape, and the PDF content width, which is 800 pixels. So all these parameters you can control. And then we have some callback functions right here. So first one is the progress. So this means as soon as you paste the content, this function will execute. So inside this function you pass the event. Then we have the another one which is start pagination, has paginated, before download, has downloaded. So what I will do, I will paste everything right here. So these are all the callback functions which this library supports. So we have binded these custom functions that we will define it in the method section, and we are just given at last a reference to this element HTML2PDF. So now we need to go to the method section and define all these methods, all these custom methods. So just wait. So at the bottom side we have this method section. If you see, we have one method available on image change, and similarly we will define all these methods. The main method is this one, which is if you see, I think we have a generate report function. Yeah, so after this directive we will simply have a button where as soon as you click the button we will generate the PDF document. So generate PDF, and we just bind an on-click listener to this. So as soon as you click the button we will execute a function generate report. So Now we just need to make this function generate report. So inside the method section, so right here, generate report. So inside this function, we will need to make first of all the reference here, this dot reference, and this is your HTML2 PDF reference. So after getting this reference, we have this function here, generate PDF. So it will convert all this template that you define in the HTML and convert this into a PDF document. So this contains this function generate PDF. So that's all that we need to do, and apart from that we will define all these functions as well. So I will just paste this CSS code is also involved, so better you can go to the description link to follow along with this video, so to get all the source code. So we defined all these custom functions that we defined in the HTML, and if you just refresh now and paste, give it a image, click on generate PDF, you should see this modal window appearing as a live preview. And here this is, you can also click the download button from here also and download this, but it automatically downloads the PDF document. So here this is the title, description, and this is your image. So in this way you can use this package in Vue.js to generate dynamic PDF documents which contains both images and text. So thank you very much guys for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video.